Alexa, play on Luna Girl.
On Luna Girl by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can do anything I want to do. Get out of my way, 'cause I'm coming through. With my Luna lair and my silver hair, I'm cooler than you. You know you care. Sun goes down.
Sorry, I am having trouble playing the music from your library.
Shoot. Crash! Not again! Alexa, play on Luna Girl.
Here's on Luna Girl
All
by
right.
PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
1,
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4. I can do anything I want to do.
It's a frozen dark night out here tonight,
Get out of my way, 'cause I'm coming
viewers
through.
and master designers.
With my Luna lair and my silver hair, I'm cooler than you. You know you care. Sun goes down and the moon is full. Now it's time for Luna Girl.
All right, master designers.
Don't forget, I'm Luna Girl.
Tonight we're gonna draw Luna.
Luna Girl's gonna rock the world.
Yeah. I've been getting comments about her and from her,
To have it.
and tonight I'm finally gonna draw her.
Grab it with my Luna magnet. With the moon up above, I fly so high. Jump on my Luna board and glide. Nighttime comes, I'm the star of the show. Come on, Luna Moss, it's time to go.
Luna, if you're watching this,
I'm Luna Girl. Luna Girl's gonna rock the world.
I am confident you have a
Take what I want.
pleasant time.
Okay? I just want to do fun things and play. Try and stop me, it's a waste of time. 'Cause everything
At least you'll be.
my. Don't forget.
After I finish this episode, I want to know what you think of the design, and if you're really interested in what I've done.
Don't forget, I'm Luna Girl.
Anyhow, Luna has the ability to
Up the hill.
steal whatever she grabs using a special moon-powered magnet called the Luna Magnet. She also has a hoverboard. Oh yeah, and she has an army of moths. Yeah. She also has a fortress on the moon. She also has a little sister named Matsuki. And if you're really interested, you can watch that episode as well. Drawing this character is really easy. Well, I'd rank it 46% hard and 32%, 100%, 32% of easy. Drawing characters like these is really complicated and impossible, but not if you give it a shot at it. Anyhow, next we draw the board. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
1, 2, 3, 4. I can do anything I want to do. Get out of my way, 'cause I'm coming through.
Well, I wouldn't say silver hair, more like white hair.
Something cool, I've got to have it. I'm gonna grab it with my Luna magnet. With a moon up above, I fly so high. Jump on my Luna board and glide. Nighttime comes, I'm a star to shine.
There's the hoverboard.
Luna moss, it's time to go. Don't forget, I'm Luna girl. Luna girl's gonna rock the
Last but not least, we draw the special moon enhanced bow staff.
I just want to do fun things and play. Try and stop me, it's a waste of time. Cause everything I see will be mine, mine, mine. Don't forget,
We're drawing the greatest thief on PJ Masks.
rock the world. Don't forget, I'm Luna Girl. Luna Girl's gonna rock the world.
There's the staff. Now we draw the rest. There's the Luna magnet. Now we draw the rose colored moon. Compared to Luna Girl and Matsuki, they should meet Goku Black and Zamasu. They've done more savage ways than them. Yeah, I bet they've already been on the moon. Now we draw the stars. There we go. And that's how you draw Luna Girl. Now that's what I call a thief. If you're watching this, PJ Masks, take her down. Oh wait, I'm not on your side. Ha! Anyhow, that's how you draw Luna Girl. I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what character you want me to draw next. And I don't really have time to draw the moths. Let's just say because I really don't have that much space on my SD card. I don't have a picture of the moths, and well, I only have 17 minutes for each episode, or shorter. Anyways, at least you got to see me draw her, and I'll see you next time.